Indian Premier League 2026 match number 46 Gujarat Titans vs Punjab Kings match played at Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. Gujarat Titans won the toss, elected to ball first. Punjab Kings 20 overs 163 runs lost by 9 wickets. Suryanshi Shet is the highest scorer 57 runs 29 balls. Then Gujarat Titans best bowling spell Jason Holder 4 overs no maiden 24 runs 4 wickets taken. Gujarat Titans 19.5 overs 167 runs lost by 6 wickets. Shea Sudarshan is the highest scorer 57 runs 41 balls. Then Punjab Kings best bowling spell Arshad Deep Singh 4 overs no maiden 24 runs 2 wickets taken. Gujarat Titans won by 4 wickets in this match. Player of the match Jason Holder. Congratulations Gujarat Titans.